Good frickin' morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. Oh, let that frickin' sunshine hit you right in the face. About ready to go boxing. Here's the morning view. The ocean's a little aggressive today. It means we got a storm coming. We have arrived here at Ngam Muay Thai gym. They're closed on Sundays, but they'll let me train by myself and kind of just get a workout in. So without further ado, it's time to stretch and hydrate. I always try to make myself drink a full water when I'm training because I'm training on an empty stomach. And I kind of do that on purpose so the abs show. But yeah, let's get training. I'll show you guys a couple moves, a couple kicks and punches, and then I'm gonna have to log off and get serious by myself if I really want to see some gains. When that freaking big plastic freaking rope strikes the tip of your toes, fudge muffins, it hurts. We're good. I tell you what, if you ever want to set your frickin' body in a reset and shock it, come out to Thailand and spend an hour at a gym in the middle of the forest and just let it go of everything. See you soon. For real, for real. Woo-wee. If there's one thing you make sure you do, get yourself a big bottle and make sure you drink the whole thing in the morning. If it was easy, everybody would do it. People think, what the heck's this tire? 3 tires here for? Well, little elbow practice, okay? 1, 2, 3. Up, mid, low, okay? Up, up. Ah, see? Hurts, but it builds it up. Dee-doo. That's my flying kick. One more for you. This is gonna be it, guys. This is when you leave it all on the table. At the end of your workout, when you're done, you're spent, but you find that rage. Guan Yu, looking so beautiful today. There's me. There's me. There's Guan Yu. There's me. There's Guan Yu. Right here, right before Lamai Beach, there's a ton of shops with ice cream and local Thai foods. Definitely worth a stop if you got a motorcycle. Put it in your Google machine, Guan Yu, and you might be surprised at what you find. So there I was, sitting on a beach in Thailand, watching the ladies play dominoes.
Because we are waiting for customer. No customer, we have time for play domino.
So whoever loses has to give me 2-hour free massage, I guess.
Right.
Maybe 600 baht value.